Today, I am reviewing the Acer Predator gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are looking to upgrade your gaming setup, the monitor is often the most important choice you can make. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Acer Predator X27U W1 MHz gaming monitor. This is a 26.5-inch powerhouse that brings premium Quantum Dot OLED technology to a highly competitive form factor. If you have been waiting for the price of OLED displays to become reasonable without sacrificing competitive performance, this monitor might just be the exact sweet spot you are looking for. Let us start with the headline feature, which is the panel technology itself. This monitor features a stunning WQHD 2560 by 1440 resolution QD-OLED display. If you have never experienced an OLED panel in person, it completely transforms how you look at digital media. Unlike standard LCD or IPS panels that rely on a backlight that bleeds through dark areas, OLED pixels are self-lit. When a pixel needs to show black, it simply turns completely off. This creates an infinite contrast ratio where deep, perfect blacks sit right next to vibrant highlights. For atmospheric horror titles, space simulators, or cinematic open-world games, the visual depth is nothing short of breathtaking. But Acer did not just focus on contrast. Color performance here is phenomenal. It covers 99% of the DCI P3 cinematic color gamut, processes a true 10-bit color depth, and comes factory calibrated with a delta E of less than 2. This means out of the box, the colors are incredibly rich, bursting with vivid detail, and visually accurate enough for content creators who edit video or photos by day and game by night. Now, if you are a competitive gamer, beauty is only half the battle. You need speed, and the Predator X27U absolutely delivers. It features a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate combined with a near-instantaneous 0.03 millisecond gray-to-gray response time. When you couple that high refresh rate with the native speed of OLED pixels, motion blur completely vanishes. There is virtually no ghosting or trailing, meaning fast-paced first-person shooters and esports titles feel incredibly fluid, sharp, and unbroken. To keep that speed feeling silky smooth, it includes AMD FreeSync Premium technology. This synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate dynamically with your graphics card's frame output, entirely eliminating screen tearing and stuttering, even when your frame rates fluctuate during intense battles. From a design and usability perspective, the 26.5-inch size is widely considered the sweet spot for esports and desktop gaming. It perfectly fills your central field of view without forcing you to turn your head to scan the corners of the screen. Acer's zero-frame design shrinks the bezels down to practically nothing, maximizing your visual immersion and making it an excellent candidate for multi-monitor setups. The build quality matches the premium internals. The stand is fully ergonomic, offering a complete range of adjustments including tilt, height adjustments, swivel, and full 90-degree pivot rotations if you prefer a vertical secondary display. For connectivity, Acer includes 2 DisplayPort 1.4 inputs and 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, giving you plenty of high-bandwidth options for connecting your PC alongside modern gaming consoles. Of course, with any OLED monitor, burn-in care is a valid consideration. Acer handles this directly with built-in image retention refresh features that automatically maintain the pixels behind the scenes, ensuring the longevity of your investment. Ultimately, the Acer Predator X27U strikes an incredible balance. It pairs the unmatched visual beauty of Quantum Dot OLED color and contrast with the hyper-responsive speed required by competitive players. If you want a display that makes your games look jaw-droppingly gorgeous while keeping your competitive edge perfectly sharp, this monitor is an exceptional choice.